Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect dog bowls, you're going to want to check out these dog bowls from Petygooing. They are not only so beautiful, I love the ceramic black bowls, and also the wooden base is so pretty. I love that it's not made out of metal so it won't rust on your tile, and it's also really discreet. It looks great, it's not an eyesore, and it's the perfect height for our little dog. We also love that it's the perfect size for our dog. It holds the perfect amount of food and water. The fact that the ceramic bowls are sitting on this wooden base is also really great. It's lightweight, but it also does not slide because it has a nice wide base. I love how thoughtful they were in providing also this bowl for on the go. It's collapsible, comes with a hook, so it's easy to travel with if you go for a walk in the park. Really easy to give your dog some water or to feed them on the go. So if you're in the market for cute pet bowls, you're going to want to check these out from Petygooing. They are the perfect size, discreet, really cute, so they won't clash with your home decor. You're going to love them, and that's my point of view.